Good day. So today I'll be teaching you how to draw a bolt. So for you to draw a bolt, you need some little information. Let's say they said we must draw an M30 bolt. So to draw a bolt head, we need to first draw a circle, and then after we draw a hexagon, and then we construct from that hexagon that we have drawn, and we draw our bolt head. So now we need to find the diameter of that circle. We're gonna say 30, this M30 times 1,5, it's equal to 45. And that 45 is our diameter of the circle. It's our diameter of the circle. After finding that 45 diameter length, we're going to divide this 45 by 2 because we want a radius, and our radius is going to be 22,5. And we're going to open our compass 22,5, and then you construct a circle. So for a bolt, our hexagon has to be outside the circle. Then you will have a straight line here. You must make sure this line touches the circumference of the circle. And then take your 30-60 degree set square and use your 60 degrees. You must make sure it touches the circumference of the circle and draw a straight line. And draw a straight line.
It's meant to be 55.
And then after, you have to outline this hexagon. There we go. And then after, we construct the corners of this hexagon downwards. There we go. There we go. And then here is my starting point. And then we need to find the thickness of our bolt head. For a thickness of our bolt head, we have a formula. Our formula for the thickness of our bolt head, we will say M30 times 0,7 is equal to 21. That means from this line going downwards, we must measure 21. Let's measure 21. Then construct another faint line here. Together. And then now you're gonna have point A, point B, point C, and point D. So we need to draw an arc from point A to point B, and an arc from point B to point C, and from point C to point D. How are we going to do? So how are we going to draw those arcs? You're gonna need your 60 degree set square. From point A, you construct a line 60 degrees. Then from point D, meeting the one that you made from point A, 60 degrees, and then you're gonna have your first point there, point number 1. And again, the 60 degrees from point C, meeting with the straight line of point D, you're gonna have your second point there. And again, the 60 degrees from point B, you'll have point number 3 there. And then this big arc, you will construct it using point number 1, and these small arcs, you're gonna construct them using point number 3 and point number 2. Also, you can take your compass and place it on point 1 for BC, and there we go. Then point number 2 for CD, then point number 3 for AB, there we go. Then take your 30 degrees, make sure you construct your chamfers there, and your chamfer there, and construct a solid line there. Go together, and then you outline your bolt head. There we go.